Hey, how are you?
Hey,
Good
bro.
to see you again. Ready to experience the magic of cricket?
Yes, I really look forward to it. I heard so much about how exciting cricket is, but I never get the chance to try it out, I think.
Let me show you how it works then.
Let's go.
This ball that you're seeing in my hand, it weighs 155.9 grams. The reason is cricket is one of the biggest events followed by soccer in the world.
Oh,
It has around 2.3 billion fans globally.
that's a lot, 2.3 billion.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think that's probably the reason why it's so popular in the UAE as well.
Absolutely, it's a diversified culture country, right? So, I mean, you have Pakistanis, Indians, Sri Lankans. That's the only way to bridge, and connect to their homeland and sharing the culture together. You will see all these three nations get together. They share the same friendship. They share the same feelings through this game. So this game not only is just a game, but it's also bridge the culture, the friendship all together.
True, that's amazing.
So how was it? Fun?
It was definitely fun, but the ball speed really caught me off guard. It's super fast.
That was just 150 kilometers per hour. There's one of the Pakistani players called Shoaib Akhtar. So he threw a ball of 161.3 kilometers per hour. And that's the world record.
It's like a rocket incoming, right?
It is. So now so this year we had a T20 Cricket World Cup, which is way fast, shorter and faster paced, because not anyone wants to miss a single ball. Especially in the last final that was played this year between India and South Africa. So the pressure was huge, and we had almost 50% more traffic surge compared to the old years.
That's a very big challenge on the platform, by the way.
When it comes to pressure, we as a service provider, we see the same pressure. So we went ahead and chose Huawei Cloud as our partner to deliver this kind of extreme live sports delivery. 70 to 80% of the audience in this region, by default, they come to Starzplay whenever there is a cricket match. So to meet this kind of expectation, things with the right agility, scaling, performance, and security, a combination of everything needs to be there for us to go to the extra mile.
That's an incredible achievement for Starzplay. And I really want to invite you to join us in Huawei Cloud Summit and share more about this achievement. And let's go.